Tibor Benedek was a Hungarian water polo player who played on the gold medal squads at the 2000 Summer Olympics, 2004 Summer Olympics and 2008 Summer Olympics. Benedek also competed at the 1992 and 1996 Summer Olympics, where the Hungarian team placed 6th and 4th, respectively. He was a member of Team Domino-Honvéd. Benedek was the head coach of Hungary men's national water polo team between 2013 and 2016. Benedek was named Hungarian Water Polo Player of the Year in 1992, 1993 and 1994. He made his debut for the national side in 1990. His father, Miklos Benedek, is a famous actor. Widely regarded as one of the greatest water polo players of all time, Benedek ranks second on the all-time scoring list in Olympic history, with 65 goals. He was the joint top goalscorer at the 1992 Barcelona Olympics, with 22 goals, and the top goalscorer at the 1996 Atlanta Olympics, with 19 goals. Benedek is the 9th player to compete in water polo at 5 Olympics and one of 10 male athletes who won 3 Olympic gold medals in water polo. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.